Good morning, this is Fox News with Caitlin.
And Nema. We begin tonight with our discussion of malaria. And to help us with this discussion, we have our few experts, Dr. Cash Money and Dr. Jaga Jaga.
Welcome to the show, guys. So the people of Dallas are dying to know about to protect themselves from malaria. We would like to ask you a few questions, if that's all right.
Yeah, boy.
So, what exactly is malaria?
Malaria is a parasitic infection spread by mosquitoes. The Plasmodium parasite that causes malaria is a single-celled parasite that multiplies in red blood cells of humans as well as in mosquito intestine.
And how exactly is it transmitted? Let's say someone is chilling like a villain, how would it snap a person?
Usually people get malaria by being bitten by an Anopheles mosquito. Only these mosquitoes can transmit malaria, and they must be infected through a previous blood meal taken from an infected person.
When a mosquito bites an infected person, a small amount of blood is taken in which it contains microscopic malaria parasites. About a week later, when the mosquito takes its next blood meal, these parasites mix with the mosquito's saliva and are injected into the person being bitten. Because the malaria parasite is found in red blood cells of an infected person, malaria can also be transmitted through blood transfusion, organ transplant, or the shared use of needles contaminated with blood. Malaria may also be transmitted from a mother to her unborn infant before or during delivery.
Thank you for tuning in, and we'll be back right after this commercial break. Thank you for choosing Fox 4 News.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from me.
And we're back.
So, doctor, how do we know we have this terrible disease? Would you care to spill the beans and tell us the deets?
Oh yeah, so you can have moderate to severe shake and chills, high fever, sweating, illness, yellow coloring of the eyes and skin due to the loss of red blood cells, headache, vomiting, and diarrhea.
Oh no, that sounds awful. And where is malaria found?
Oh, it's found in tropical regions and warmer regions of the world and subtropical countries.
High temperatures allow the Anopheles mosquito to thrive. Malaria parasites which grow and develop inside the mosquito need warmth to complete their growth before they are mature enough to be transmitted to humans.
Good job, Jugga Jugga.
How common is malaria? Is it basic or no?
Oh, although malaria was limited in the U.S. in the 50s, there's about 1,500 to 2,000 cases reported every year. Fun fact.
That's a lot.
Oh yeah.
Malaria is usually found in Africa, south of Sahara, and parts of Oceania such as Papua New Guinea. In 2015, the region of Africa was home to 90% of malaria cases and 92% of malaria deaths.
How can we treat this if infected? I sure hope it doesn't float like a butterfly and use a sting like a bee.
Yeah, man. Treatment's possible if you get infected with malaria by taking antimalarial drugs such as chloroquine and quinine sulfates.
There
Hey.
are ways to prevent getting malaria. There's a
Hi, Mom.
vaccine you can take which is called There's a vaccine you can take which is called RTSS. And you can also sleep under a mosquito net at night because that's when mosquitoes that transmit malaria usually bite.
What makes this disease special? What makes it this one?
Well, the female Anopheles mosquito is the only mosquito that transmits malaria. She primarily bites between the hours of 9 p.m. and 5 a.m., and that's very specific to this disease.
It's interesting. Thank you, Dr. Cash Money from... Okay, just be on your phone. But thank you, Dr. Cash Money and Dr. Jaga Jaga for...
It was an important message, ma'am. I'll have you know.
Oh, is someone dying?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I gotta
Okay.
go, okay? Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, Dr. Jaga Jaga, for coming to see us.
I hope your partner has he fixes whatever that thing is.
He's not my partner.
Thank you, viewers, for tuning in Fox News. Good night.